I'm Regan for Cheap Family Travel, and this summer I'm taking my backpack across Europe. So I bought this backpack last summer when Nick and I went to Africa. It's an Osprey, and we worked well together. But this year I'm making a few changes. So a friend recommended packing cubes, and I kind of made fun of her because I didn't really understand the point. But I got these Bagail ones, and they're actually compression cubes. So this has 7 shirts and 2 dresses in it, but I can zip the compression part all the way around. Very durable zippers. And then it's flat. And so I already have one in here, and they come in sets of 3 with 2 big ones and a small one, and they fit nicely. And this is a different set. It's not Bagail, but they come smaller, perfect for socks and underwear, and they're mesh on top so you can see through them. This is my North Face jacket, and it's a full jacket that's very warm, all stuffed into its little pouch, so it's travel size. Keeps me toasty. And when you're traveling in, sleeping in hostels and stuff, it can get a little iffy sometimes. So I have a travel sheet, Cocoon, that I can sleep in, that I can put over the bed if the sheets aren't the cleanest, or if I just want to sleep in my own sheet. And going with traveling small is my travel towel. So this is a full towel, and it's meant to dry fast and fold small so it can fit nicely in my backpack. And I also recommend traveling with shampoo and conditioner in one, 2 in 1, because then you only have 1 bottle to carry around instead of 2, and that'll just go with the toiletries. I also recommend using powdered laundry pads instead of the liquid ones so they don't pop and make a mess in your bag. And when you're all in one backpack, you have your dirty clothes with your clean clothes, and so I invested in some sneaker balls to keep things smelling fresh. And I got this nice little satchel, and it's perfect for when I don't need my whole backpack for the day. And it's supposed to be slash proof and harder to pickpocket, and so that'll be really useful. This is a cool little foam thing that keeps whatever's inside dry, so good for like water rafting, skiing in the Alps. I recommend bringing a water bottle so that you can stay hydrated and don't have to keep buying drinks. You can just fill it up at different places. And this is one of my favorites. A friend gave it to me. It's a police grade flashlight, and it's perfect for all your lighting needs. It even has its own holster, and you can just clip it on your belt and go. And last but not least, is you need a little pouch. So this is good to keep your passport and your money and any other valuables you have, and you just tuck it into your shirt, and you don't even know it's there, but it won't get stolen. Now we just gotta zip her up. So I'm planning on living out of here for 3 months. So I just packed a week's worth of clothing, and then I just plan on doing laundry once a week or so. And just gotta give it a shake. And pack some nicer outfits and some casual things. And now I'm ready to go.